Hi, in this session, we will see the address component of a SmartForm. When you right click on the window, you can see there is an option as address. So we can print the address of a customer or a vendor or organization by using the address number field of the respective master. As we know, in the customer master table K1, there is a field called ADNR. Okay, that is contained the address number, and the address is stored in ADRC table. But instead of selecting individual name, address, email ID, telephone number, this is the simplest way to print the complete address. Okay, so take an example. Here I have a customer master with my name, and this is the customer ID. Okay, here I have my name, I have my address, email ID, and the dummy number I have put it here. Okay, this is my customer record. If you check this record in the SS69 in K1 table, for this customer we have the address number, that is the ADRNR. Okay, so using this number will print the address. So how to do that? Go to transaction. Our transaction code is SmartForm. This is our SmartForm. Go to change mode. In the global data, add one work area, that is GS underscore KN1. The type will be KN1. Okay. Now either I can write the code in the initialization block. Either I can write my code in this block. Okay, the system is a little slow. Wait. Either I can write my code here, or simply I can create a new node. Okay, so we'll create a new node. Right click here. Create flow logic program lines. Okay, in the output enter as GS underscore KN1. Now select single all from KN1 into corresponding fields of GS underscore KN1, where Kunnar equal to, I am passing the hardcode value. In real time you have to pass the actual value, where Kunnar customer code is equal to days. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am passing the customer ID here and selecting the record from KN1. Now as we know, in the KN1 there is field called ADRNR. Okay, now simply right click here, create address. Okay, here we can pass a dynamic value. So GS underscore KN1 AD. Okay, wait, let me post the value. Oh, that is a dynamic value. Pass the value here. Wait, here in the ampersand password value GS underscore KN1. So it is not allowing to select. Wait, let me check. Okay, what we'll do, we'll display a variable, simple variable here. Declare one variable, that is gv underscore ADRNR, type ADRNR. Okay, go to our code logic. Here gv underscore ADRNR, and to that variable gv underscore ADRNR, pass the value of GS underscore KN1 ADRNR. Now go to address. Here ampersand add gv underscore ADRNR. Okay, save, check, save, check, and activate. Okay, so what we have done, we have passed the value through a variable. Execute. So you can see the system is printing the address as per the address number. This is my name. Okay, and this is the address. Okay, so that address is coming here. Otherwise, what will happen? We have to print the individual variables. So this is the simplest method if you want to print a complete address. Okay, so in the address field, we can do that. So in this way, we have finished with the session printing of address with the address component. Thank you.